Welcome back to our channels. Today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create a group chat in Grindr app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So Grindr is a basic app for gays to date and chat with each other and find their matches. So you need to simply tap it open, and once you open it, you need to get logged in into your account. So once you have got logged in into your account, you can search for as many person you want to search and get them matched, and then you can just find your favorite and talk with them to boost your relationship. So talking about the group chats, Grindr no longer supports creating new group chats. Existing group chats will also be removed from your inbox, and Grindr recommends sending direct messages to stay in touch with individuals from past group chat. You can also save your group chat messages by downloading your Grindr data. However, you can no longer create a fresh group chat with many people out there. You need to simply inbox them directly rather than texting it in them in group. So Grindr group chat is not available currently. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.